Start by removing the rubber trim that runs along the cowl indicated by the red arrow. There is a set of tabs on the underside of the driver's side cowl, red arrows. Lift the side cowl up and slide it out from the tabs of the main cowl. There is a cross panel covering the brake fluid system, red arrow. Unscrew the two T40 Torx screws along the top, blue arrows, and the one T40 Torx screw, green arrow, holding the cross panel. During installation, you will need to tighten this to a tightening torque of 14 Newton meters or 10 foot-pounds. Use a flathead screwdriver to unclip the wiring harness connected to the cross panel, red arrow. You can now lift up and move the cross panel to gain access to the brake light switch. You don't need to remove the brake fluid reservoir to perform these next steps. We have done so for the sake of clarity. Use a flathead screwdriver to disconnect the electrical connection by gently rotating the release clip indicated by the red arrow. Remove the one T40 Torx screw holding the brake light switch to the master cylinder, red arrow. During installation, you will need to tighten this to a tightening torque of 8 Newton meters or 6 foot-pounds. You can now remove the switch. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.